Somalia's President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has emphasized the urgency of a two-state solution to address the ongoing conflict in Gaza. Speaking against a backdrop of Somalia's own history of political instability and violence, President Mohamud highlighted the importance of political dialogue and peaceful negotiations as the only viable means to achieve a lasting resolution. The president acknowledged Somalia's own progress towards stability, citing recent diplomatic efforts to strengthen ties with African neighbors and the Arab world. Drawing from this experience, he emphasized that violence between Israel and Hamas, the Palestinian militant group, will not address the root causes of the conflict. Instead, President Mohamud stressed that a political agreement between the two sides was imperative. The Gaza Strip has endured intense Israeli bombardment over a month in response to cross-border attack launched by Hamas on southern Israel in October.
Accepted solutions, two states, Palestine and Israel living together side by side peacefully. And it can happen. It's possible. Why not we go ahead with that? The denial of the rights of someone is what makes people to go on the extreme and does everything. So we cannot deal with the consequences. What we deal is the origin of the problem. That's where we need to address. What are the origin of this problem? The origin of this problem is a whole nation, call it Palestine, existence, living in a dignified manner as any other.
The conflict has resulted in significant loss of life and the displacement of a large portion of Gaza's population. President Mohamud joined the international community in condemning Israel's actions, highlighting their violation of human rights and the rules of war. The president further emphasized the suffering inflicted upon the people of Gaza transcends religious, Arab and regional boundaries, emphasizing the universal nature of the humanitarian crisis. He expressed concern for lives lost, the suffering endured by mothers and children, and the plight of the innocent civilians caught in the conflict.